Hello YouTube, welcome to the Realme 6i unboxing and review video by Mahitex. And I got this packaging yesterday. I ordered this Realme 6i from flipkart.com during the flash sale. I have got this in the second sale. Now we are going to unbox this mobile. Just placing this on the table, taking my trusty unboxing knife, cutting through the sides, unsplicing the middle and cutting through the packaging, opening the box reveals the Realme 6i is packed inside another cardboard box. Let me just remove the stickers now first. Opening this, now we have the Realme 6i. Opening this, we have a Realme 6i. Lifting the cardboard cover from the box, we reveal the 6i with its yellow color packaging. As usual, Realme nails it with this yellow color packaging. It's looking pretty cool on the camera. Now we will just cut through the heat shrink packaging to just remove it. Always, whenever you buy a new electronics, it gives a immense pleasure to remove the heat shrink wrap from the electronics. So I'm just peeling the shrink wrap from the box, and then I'm going to cut through the seal. Flipping the box over, I'm going to just remove the box. Here it comes, Realme 6i unboxing. As you can see, it has a card inside it. So inside that we are having a TPU case cover and then some paperwork by Realme. Unlike normal covers, this is not a cheap cover. This case is actually pretty good compared to the normal ones that you get from a mobile shop. It's actually pretty cool. It is also covering the front side of your mobile. Next, let me take the mobile. I have ordered the 4GB and 64GB variant here. It is in white color. Let me just keep it in the table as of now, and we will concentrate on the rest of the things in the packaging. Removing the yellow color card, we have our USB Type-C cable. This USB Type-C cable is very strong and very sturdy. It is also very thicker, and as usual, the Realme has yellow accents in the USB Type-C connector and then the normal USB connector. And next comes the gigantic hook charger. So it is an 20 watt charger that is included in this box, not 30 watts charger, but still it can charge your phone very fast. So we will see the charging time in there later on in this video. Okay. Oh, I forgot the SIM card ejector tool. Just open the package. There is your SIM card ejection tool that you can use to install your SIM cards. Going to close the packaging and keep it aside for now, and we will take a close look at the phone. So this phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset and a Full HD Plus display with 90Hz and a 48 megapixel primary camera and a 4300 mAh battery. So this white color feels so much premium in the hand. Even though it is kind of a plastic back, it doesn't look like a plastic. It looks like a glass from a distance. Let me just peel the sticker off, and when you are having a closer look at this white color screen, you can see how much it is like a, even though it is a budget phone, it just looks like a premium phone. So the main selling point of this is Full HD 90Hz display. First we are going to check the fingerprint scanner speed. As you can see, I am just unlocking with just a single tap of my finger. It is very fast and accurate, and this phone runs Realme UI 1.0. We can just go into settings, about phone, and there we can see Android version 10. Tapping on it multiple times, we get the Android Easter egg. You can see Android 10. It runs on the latest Android. Thanks to the 90Hz display, the UI feels so much snappier. Realme 6i comes with a quad camera setup with a primary 48 megapixel. Here we can see some of the sample shots that are took using this camera setup. Hello friends, as you can see, this is the Realme 6i footage, 1080p 30 frames per second. I think so the image stabilization is looking pretty good in the viewfinder itself. Once we take it to the system, we can just tell that how good the image stabilization is. Colors, everything are looking very good. Hello friends, as you can see, this is the 4K 30 fps video from the Realme 6i. I think so the colors and everything are looking great. As you can see in the opposite building, the blue is looking very good, clean, and you can see the greens and all, in the right hand side, they are looking very good. Hello everyone, if you are going to vlog with Realme 6i, this is how the footage looks like. I think so it is not really that much bad. Sometimes the exposure feels little bit on the crappier side. Other than that, you can easily use this footage for your vlogs. What do you guys think about this camera? Please let me know in the comments below. I don't think so, for the price it is a good front facing camera shooter. Nothing to complain here. Cheers. I have installed Asphalt 9 in Realme 6i to test out the gaming performance and to check any heating issues present while gaming. I ran this Asphalt 9 30 minutes. No problems as of now, no frame drops, nothing. Thanks to MediaTek Helio G90T, it performs like a champ, and thanks to 90Hz display, the gameplay is very smooth and clean, as you can see in the footage. Now it's time to charge this Realme 6i. Opening the USB Type-C flap, inserting the USB cable. With the included 20 watts adapter, we can go from 0 to 100 in 1 hour 10 minutes, which is pretty fast in this budget range.